I can't believe, yeah, nobody cared to check. Such is life. But we made it to the river, music's blaring. We're gonna have some fun. Yeah. Oh, he's under. Ah. Yeah. You okay? Oi. Oi. Your turn. Morris, what happened? Did you drop?
Yeah, Mom.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You gonna save the soda? Okay. Junior, how's the sandwich?
Nice.
Yeah? How's the sandwich? Good? Sandwich? Oh, was that kissy lips for the sandwich? Wow. Andre, how's the sandwich?
Andre, you can get some.
Greg, how's the sandwich? I like the sandwich. It's pretty good. Anyway, yeah, so go past the first several signs of people trying to pull you over and get you on a rafting boat. Because it's $500 per adult to get in, and all the kids are free. Maybe $500 per park, depending on who you talk to. And the place looks pretty fantastic. Check it out. had to splurge a little bit. Yeah, they got life jackets, 500 a piece, peace of mind, and they'll go in the deep end. Might as well. Even Dave got one. Oh boy. Craig, let's see you go in the deep end, man. Okay. Yeah, it's a $500 investment on kids going in the deep end. That's what it takes. That's what it takes to get them off their feet. Let's see if they actually do it or not. Okay, true story. So we left Fontana. We had a bunch of drinks with us and some bread. Didn't bring a bag, so everybody had stuff in their hands. Told Dave, grab the bag that we set off at the bag section so that, you know, because that's where we had the snorkels. And turns out Dave brought the bag back to the car. So apparently Dave set the bag down by the car because we're gonna open the trunk and put everything in the trunk. And never picked it up again. Yay. I'm not sure he's actually gonna let go. Well, all good times got to come to an end. Finally got them out of the water. They got the swing down pretty good. Hopefully on our way back we can get them to rate this place. But I will say, man, for the best bang for your buck, it literally was $1,000 a park, and it's only $500 if you have a car and then a big van with a bunch of kids, and $500 a person to come in, and that was only for the adults. So we paid $1,000 and all the kids were free. So this so far is probably the best place that we've come for as far as financially goes, which is always a plus. So it is called, all right, let me zoom in on this natural sign, no, I was way off, not Winifred, Madafed Nature River, and it's about as natural as it gets. And if you stay long enough, you get to spend the last hour or so, or half hour, pretty much have them place to yourself. Pretty fantastic stuff, man. Madafed Nature River. You can find it on Google Maps. Just be careful which road you take to get here. Take the main one from the light, not the one Google tells you. And don't stop at the guys with the signs. You got to keep going up the hill, and eventually there'll be some wooden signs along the way to tell you how to get there. There you go. Cool.
DB cannot like it because I like the swing song, I like the boat, and I like the river. I like it. Done.
How'd you like the river? Yeah, was it good? What'd you like about it? The river? Did you like throwing the stones? Did you like getting your feet wet? Did you like the fish? Did you like the food? Is there anything you didn't like? Huh? Is there anything you did not like?
And eating biscuit.
Oh yeah, the fish eating biscuit?
Yeah.
That was your favorite? Cool. How many out of 10 would you give it? 2? 2 out of 10? Alright.
So we got drop, and then Sonia spray that cold water. Yeah.
Alright, Dave, we need a rating.
10 out. 10 out of 10.
Why?
Because the river nice.
What's nice about it?
The boat,
The boat,
swing song,
the swing song,
and the place.
and the place.
hiking.
And the hike to get here. Anything you don't like about it?
The current too strong.
Yeah, it's a river, Dave. Cool. Mario,
10.
why?
That nice over there.
The swing?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The float you up. That
The boats? Uh-huh.
And the life jacket.
And the life jackets.
And the water.
Yeah? Dave said the current was too strong. What do you think?
No man, a good man.
Okay.
Yeah, alright man.
Alright. Andre, 10 what? Out of how many?
10.
Why?
Everybody is nice. That's all that is so deep. But the turnover with the onion is not nice.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And the turnover.
Andre, you gotta face the camera so we can hear you. So what was your favorite part?
The favorite part.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Yeah, would you come back? Okay, anything else you want to add? The juice and the food, alright. Here, how's the river?
Good.
Why?
Bye. That'd be nice.
Junior, you gotta look this way so we can hear you.
God agree. That'd be nice.
Okay,
And if you want to find out what you know, you can go find it.
why?
Because you see people are these. And
Uh-huh.
you got it. Alright.
Uh-huh,
And you're going to be part of the life jacket.
Uh-huh.
You know what you do. No.
good. So what was The best part.
This ball.
The surfboard? Cool. All right, let's go. What?
I give the bird 10 out of 10.
All right, let's go. Last but not least, honey, the camera's on.
Okay, I give this revert on 10 out of 10.
Why?
It's nice.
And we get
It's,
to eat.
we make sandwich.
Yeah, I don't
Is that
cut
nice?
you, as she likes to say. We made sandwiches, huh?
That's what I said. We make sandwich.
Which we?
All of we
Oh,
make
it's still me.
sandwich. All
We
of
made
make sandwich.
sandwich? What did we do?
We make sandwich, me and Mario.
What did Mario do?
Mario cut the song with the bread.
So who
But
made
we
it?
put- Me make the whatever.
Me. That's what we're looking for. Sonia made the sandwiches.
So,
That's.
We
I want
did.
you to be honest about it. And they turned out pretty good for simple ingredients.
yeah, it was good. And
Listen,
it was very
listen.
nice. Although I never go in there till late, but it's very nice and things. So I love it. I'll come back.
Cool.
And you can cook too. Kind of thing and sell food down here.
All right.
Yep.
Let's go. All right, Madafed Beach. We will see you next time. We'll definitely be back to this one. Worked out well for everybody, and they had life jackets. Good thing I've been training for these hills. We'll be back. Should have been training, dear. Man, all those times I invited you on those hill jumps, this is what we've been training for. You got this. 1 foot after the other. See you at the car. Yeah, so to get back to the snorkel issue, Dave had the bag, brought it to the car, set it down by the car so we could get the car unlocked and get stuff in it, and left it by the car. So I've been talking to the boys about it, and we're going to need to figure out how they're going to earn replacing the snorkels, because while I love these adventures and getting to see the kids have a good time and have fun, it's also important that they learn accountability and responsibility, because people work hard for the money that they choose to donate to us. So we're going to figure out how to replace it. First, there's a goat with a baby. Hello. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, we gotta go. Hi. Hello. Baby, don't you dare fall down that cliff, man. That is a long drop. This is so cute. The metaphors are rampant. Oh my gosh. You don't look like your mother. All right, metaphors passed. Bye-bye. Yes, Andre. Wrong way. Take a left. Back to the car, man. Let's go. Dang, you can't have a serious conversations about responsibility and accountability and then walk up on a baby goat and their mom. You can't do that. But seriously, back to seriousness. Yes. Yeah. We need to get the kids to understand that even though people are choosing to donate money, which I think is an amazing thing and that shows, you know, how cool this community is, I need the kids to know that this is not an entitled activity or stuff. And I think they're going to... Andre, left. Hold on. Andre, left. Left. So the kids are going to work to earn it. We're going to figure out what they can do to earn back the money to pay for them, whether it comes out of their chore money or whether they could get extra things to do. Because we can't all just blame Dave, because we all have a responsibility to know where things are when we get in the car. And then we'll have some snorkels. Stay tuned for that. Let's go. There's another one. Get to the car, Andre. It's time to go. Goats. All right, we're coming. You're going to come for Andre? All right. All right, you help Andre up there. Yeah, we saw 4 goats. All right, let's go. seatbelts on?
Yes, sir.
All right, Dave, let's hear it.
YouTubers, you wanna come blame me alone for things what me not do.
What didn't you do?
Him give a child the something.
I gave a
A
child
child.
a very large bag.
A child.
Uh-huh.
You a big grown man.
You're right.
That's what you would say.
What I need the child to do is stop yelling in my ear.
Oh, excuse me for that.
Hmm.
But I was saying,
Why are you still yelling?
I'm here your problem.
No, it's not my problem.
Tyler,
You
are
made
you
the
go
mistake.
pick up the people them money?
All right, sir. We had a great time. We appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank
You gotta
you.
tell all the people,
Sir.
don't stop at the first guy with a sign. They gotta get up the hill, man, because those
No
sign guys are
charging.
relentless.
Yeah. No charging.
Right. It's tough, man.
Yeah.
But
Alright, madam.
Right? It's a great place, man. We appreciate it. We'll be back.
I'm
Alright.
not charging. Pick up.
Now, Dave, you were saying,
Yeah.
how is it not your fault?
Tyler, what are you give me bag now?
Uh-huh.
Craig D forget the bag now, but
Wait.
you walk away. See, you walk off because you never did want to bring the bag.
So, Dave, no, Dave, real quick. Who picked the snorkel up off of the where it was sitting at the store?
Me.
Who picked up the snorkels?
Mario.
The children?
Me.
Oh,
Yeah, the
so
kids.
you're old enough to
The
pick up
kids.
the snorkel off of
Yes.
the rack
Every kids can do
and
that.
carry it throughout the store.
Yes.
So at what point are you not old enough to actually take it from the store to the car?
Tyler,
Take your time.
I was.
No, not in your back.
Wrong? Is that what you're trying to say?
But we take
Me
it
not gonna
from,
say that.
We take
I
You're not
was
gonna
right.
say that. You were right.
I'm a child.
You were able to take it up off the
You
off the
got
rack. You
court
were,
for this?
no, Dave.
Where you gonna?
Dave. I don't know why you're trying to show off right now.
You see me a show up?
Yes. I'm trying to tell you that you are
What
the
you
person that made the mistake, and you are not accepting ownership
Why
for
me
making the
alone?
mistake. Because you're the only one that took the bag, put it down, and left it there.
Then why you give me?
Because you were capable of taking the snorkel and carrying it throughout the store. You should be capable of taking the snorkel from the store to the car.
So enough time. Tyler, enough people make mistakes.
Yes, Dave, that's fine. But enough
You
people
never
own
make
up.
a mistake
I
in
haven't
your,
said I had
in your
never made a
life.
mistake. Am I going
You ever make a mistake?
right?
Right, you figure.
Am I making right? Speaking of mistakes.
You know, no,
Yeah, don't that way them.
Okay, so yes, Dave.
You ever make a mistake?
See, Dave, this is where you're getting defensive because for no reason. Because yes, everybody makes
You know if
mistakes.
you defend myself?
No, you don't.
I'm me alone for pay for things,
I didn't
bro.
say you alone are paying for it. What I'm saying is that you made the mistake. I don't know where I'm going. That way there. Do you mean right?
Right.
So I think the reason why you're putting on this show right now is you think that you're going to be half the only one paying for it. No, we as
Yes,
a group.
yes.
That's the only reason you're putting on the show right now.
Yes.
Okay, so you're
What-
you're
what
admitting
you-
that you are the person that made the mistake.
Your permission to speak?
Go ahead.
So. Turn it. How am I supposed to?
Take your time.
Me say, but I know me alone should I get the blame?
No,
Everybody could have bring you back.
you're right, but everybody else had stuff in their hands from the store.
I was looking for the bag
June and
to
never
where them. Me not feel bag to put the dry stuff them in I wanna call in. But somebody went away with the bags. I have to grab the stuff off of the counter, grab the baby at the same time with all the stuff in me hand, and I roll up the baby with it stuff them and me arm I come out with when me not look for the bag.
Right.
After me go put on his stuff them in the car, me not see brown bag, so me no know where it is. So I thought the brown bag was in the front part of the where I wanna sit down.
That's what I don't
That's
understand.
why I thought it was. That's why me nobody said none. Come to see brown bag after I was outside, so I don't know where it end up. So me don't know. Me don't realize that brown bag never in my back. If you never realize that, do not blind then. Cause when we enter back and put this stuff in the bread and whatever in the container, Cause somebody put the bread on top of the clear container thing, and me open it and put the bread inside, and then me put the mayonnaise in the coal, in the igloo, and the drinks them. Me no see bag, so me no know where it is.
Right. So,
Cause I thought the bag was in here, so I asked where bag there, but me never know say bag never in there, sir.
and that's what I don't understand either, is why Dave wouldn't bring the bag into the middle. Like, there's no reason to put it in the back.
Yeah, because they didn't care when me come in I carry,
Yeah, he's the
they
first
didn't
one in
carry
the
to sit
car.
down. So I was wondering where
He's
the
more
so them-
worried about getting his seat than he is about what we just paid
Dad, I know
for.
me, I first one in I can.
Dave, at the end of the day, you were the one that left the bag outside of the car.
Yeah, but the end idea, I know me alone, I go pay for.
No, you're not alone going to pay for it. We all are. Can you see?
So how much money me?
No.
It's $16,000.
Right.
Right. And what we need to come up with to replace the snorkels.
What we need to come up with?
Dave, what we need to do is first take responsibility and say, yes, you are the one that forgot the snorkels. After you do that, then we come up with, okay, well, how are we taking it out of savings? Are we going to find extra work that I can give you guys? Like, how are we going to end up getting the snorkel money back so we can have snorkels like we're supposed to? That's something we can figure out another time.
Okay.
I just want Dave to accept the fact that he is the sole person to blame for not having the snorkels in the car. So, Dave, are you saying that?
Want me say no?
I want you to say the truth and how you feel.
Alright. Me and Tyler make a mistake.
See, that's the problem, Dave.
What?
I didn't make a mistake.
I mean, you know.
Yeah,
You give me
Right,
back.
that
no,
is the
listen.
problem. No, this is the problem.
No, but that's
And this is
true,
where we're going to
man.
end the conversation.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm not making
This
mistakes.
is the problem.
Yeah, we are
Dave
telling you,
cannot
make
take
mistake.
responsibility for his actions.
Alright.
My mother used to send me go shopping when me at 12-year-old, I couldn't find my own go buy stuff, If me lost the money of my responsibility, I no fear because yes, and me get beaten to Panta Pie because me lost the money, and then me go tell them say my mother just sitting thing after me lost the money, and then when the chap one I go to her and say, Miss Holly, but you don't want me for so and so cause it is and so on I go trust. She say no, me dey give her money and won't go tell my mother lie. And me get beaten up on top of it. So no, you gotta take responsibility for whatever you lost. Dave, you take it out of the shop and walk out with it. After we went to the grocery store, I saw you with the bag. You come out with the bag, so you are the one that.
Hold off on that, please. Okay, so Dave, make a choice. Where am I going?
No, we are left. Yes, dear.
So Dave, you're either going to admit that you were the sole person to blame for us losing it, or you're not. I mean, that's your choice right now.
I'm sorry for making my mistakes. And what?
That's it. Sorry, Dave. Go ahead.
You say I'm sorry
For what?
to lose this something.
Okay. Is there anybody else to blame?